A shift has occurred over time for the women in Assam. They are now increasingly self-reliant, venturing beyond their homes to work and establish their own livelihoods. Under the aegis of Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission, there is a new ray of hope and development.
I initiated this SHG by bringing together a team of 11 individuals, contributing ₹25 on a weekly basis. For a span of almost 10 years, we have been faithfully depositing funds into the bank while also disbursing loans to our members, including myself. The loan enabled me to purchase a cow, which I nurtured, resulting in the birth of a calf. This venture also led us to engage in selling milk. Starting from that one cow, we have now established a full-fledged dairy farm.
The journey of these individuals has consistently received assistance from ASRLM officials.
We have participated in various training programs focused on farming techniques such as cultivating kitchen gardens, optimizing paddy farming, and initiating successful corn cultivation. The government has helped us become well prepared in these farming areas. We have been fortunate to secure multiple funds from ASRLM that have played a crucial role in advancing us in numerous ways.
Their business has taken a positive and a significant new direction.
The members were granted one-time funds by the SHG, in addition to obtaining bank loans. This support has enabled them to attain self-reliance through diverse ventures like agriculture, livestock raising, fishery, and breeding of animals such as goats, ducks, and hens. They are also involved in bamboo cane work and other activities.
Through their diligent efforts and unwavering commitment, they have enhanced their economic circumstances.
It was in March 2004 that our SHG came into existence. Over the years, we successfully accumulated more than 5 lakhs in savings. Additionally, we extend loans ranging from 50,000 to 1 lakh to our fellow members. Once upon a time, women are entirely reliant on men for their financial needs, and now women have gained greater financial independence. Milk from cows and the birth of a calf each year both contribute positively to our income, providing us with valuable benefits. The income generated from selling the milk is sufficient to support us all.
The education rate has gone up, with a decline in the occurrence of child marriages.
A child takes on the responsibility of managing an entire set of in-laws post-marriage, often having to become a parent at a very young age. We have put in significant effort to eliminate these long-lasting traditions. We are appreciative of having this platform that has provided us with the opportunity to openly address our concern about child marriage and work towards finding resolution. Wherever we received a report of an ongoing child marriage, we take action by going to the location and protesting against it. We immediately inform the police as well. As a result, child marriage has been entirely eliminated from our society. We have also taken steps to address various social issues such as child marriage, domestic violence, and alcohol addiction. These harmful practices have already been successfully eradicated through our efforts.
The dreams they had are now becoming real.
A significant number of our dreams were shattered due to our limited financial means. However, with the establishment of self-help groups, we have unlocked the change to extend loans ranging from 50,000 to 1 lakh to each of our female members. Utilizing these funds, our women members can ensure timely payment of their children's education fees. My eldest daughter, Alima Akhtar, successfully earned her MBBS degree and is currently employed at Makum in the Tinsukia district. Moreover, I managed to offer support to all the SHG members by contributing towards their children's education and providing financial assistance through our group's collaboration. Through our SHG, numerous individuals have been able to cover their medical expenses using loans. These loans have consistently been repaid promptly, resulting in favorable returns for us.
Through a partnership with the Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission, the self-help group members in our region have ushered in positive economic transformations for our society. The newfound independence of women in our state has significantly contributed to the progress of our community. Here's to a promising future.